Hello everyone and welcome sa 208th na 17 host sa channel na to. So for this video, meron tayo nung mga unit photo book. So episode A saka episode B. So ito yung first batch nung unit photo book na nilabas. Tapos meron tayo nung first Weaver's POB. So yung Weaver's POB ay meron kapag set. So nakataon na may nabudol ako para dun sa isang version. Kaya meron ako ng set POB. Meron tayo nung unit na postcards. Ooh, cute. So, ito yung unit A. Meron tayong Mingyu, Jun, saka si Jonghan. So, bias line ng nanay ko to. Tapos, meron tayo dun sa kabila ng unit B. Meron tayong Scoops, Wono, saka si DK. Cute. Puro pagkain. Cutie. So, ito yung 2 units. Nakakapikon pa rin na binay-unit nila to para lang kumita ng pera. Pero anyway, meron tayo nung other set ng POB. Kasi kaya naman nilang gumawa ng OT13. Pero, baka scheduling. Pero alam mo yun. Alam mo namang pinagkakitaan ka lang. Pero bilang malupok tayong nila lang. Meron tayo ng additional postcards. So, I think individual postcards to. Kapag set POB, meron tayong Jonghan. Cute. Meron tayong June. Ooh, pogi. Ooh, Mingyu. Pogi. Tayong Chol. Taray, drummer, yarn. Meron tayong Wano. Cute. Ano yan? Ay, console. Cute baby. And then, meron tayong DK. DK na may mansanas at tomato. So, yun lahat ng unit na postcard. And then, ito na yung dalawang photo. So, unahin natin yung episode A. So, yung episode A yung kila Jonghan. And, so, meron tayo nung unit A. Meron tayong episode A, Hello, We Are. Oh, hindi ko pa rin gets kung bakit ganun yung concept na to. Pero ito yung gilid. Remember this must have. So, take away. Okay. Tapos, ito yung likod ng photobook. Yung gilid ay meron lang A, B, C, D. So, yung CD ay na-announce na. Pero hindi pa released. I mean, nagbentahan. Actually, napipikan ako dito kasi hindi ko siya mabuksan ng matino. Yung, so, meron tayo nitong inclusions. Ako ngayon. Ilang ba yun? Ayan, meron tayong thank you for coming to our room. That's weird. Meron tayo nung mga inclusion set. So, garland. Asan yung postcard? Postcard yung naiwan ko pala yung poster. Mini poster. So, meron tayong inclusion set nung episode A. Meron tayong folded poster. Yung photo book. Ito yung photocard set. Garland set. And then yung digital code. So, unahin natin yung postcard kasi nandito. Ay, folded poster kasi nandito tayo. Ooh! Kabog! Ang ganda naman ni June. Ang ganda nung folded poster. So, yun yung isang version. Tapos, unahin na muna natin yung photobook. Ayan. So, meron tayong first photobook. So, My Days and Sweet Ways. Ito yung text. Ooh, ang taray. Ang cute naman. Hehe, Jonghan. Wow, ang ganda ni Jonghan. Spending a vacation in bed sounds nice. Ganda ni Jonghan. Wake up. Miss ko na si Jonghan. Jonghan. Birthday, just enjoy life. BGM 20. Sitting under the bed scene and teacup scene. Thank you for coming to the room. Ganda ni Jonghan. Kabog mima. Cutie. Junie! Hala cute. When does a day officially start? It's different for everyone. Need to rush at the moment. Brushy. Cute. Pogi ni June. Oh my God. Turay. Ganda. Reading novels, playing games. Brushing scene and piano scene. Kid stretching. Ganda ni June! Mingyu! Let's get so laundry si Mingyu. Watch out! Cute. Tara yung pogi. Playing tennis, kabog, laundry scene, and popcorn scene. Thank you for coming to the room. Pogi. Cute. Unit. Cute na Mingyu. Come over to our place. Cute. Ganda ni Jonghan. A few moments later. Chaotic. Oo, iba na. Nakaporma na ulit na iba. Cute. Smiley babies. Jonghan. The sound of coffee beans grinding. Na. Coffee. Oh my God! Ang pogi! Damn! Do you like tea? Ganda ni Jonghan! It's gonna si Honey. Mama, have a tea time and play board games. Ang cute ni Jonghan. Oh, may mga nakasulat. What's your favorite shot from the bedroom in the shoot? Comfy. I wake up and take vitamins. Ooh, Jonghan. Cute. Ang ganda ni Jonghan. Jenny. Oh, piano. Listen. Cute. June. Cute ini June. Okay, June. Ayan ang nakalagay. Feel, model ng toothbrush. Sofa. Same June, 10 minutes to 30 minutes to wake up. Gets valid. Pogi! Mingyu. Cute. Pogi ni Mingyu. Naglaro yarn. Playing with the RC car. Cute. Baby. Mingyu shades. Cute. Hindi naman naglalagay na medyas. Sofa. Wake up and drink water. Pogi. Water. Cute! Babies. May Q&A lang. Ito na yung halagay. Ito lang yung halagay dun sa per concept. Thank you for coming to our room. Cute! Babies. Yan na yung credits. Yan na yung photo book. So, para sa something na ang pangalan niya ay unit photo book. Ang nipis niya. Yun lang masasabi ko doon. Ito pala yung gilid niya. Jonghan Jun Mingyu. Ang nipis niya kasi para tong normal na photo book set eh. Yung presyo eh. Anyway. Meron tayong next yung garland na set. Ito muna tayo sa Ang cute naman yung ang digital code cassette. Hello, we are Hi-Fi Low Note Jonghan Jun Mingyu episode 8. O, nasa likod yung digital code. So, ito yung, ano lang, aesthetic. Meron tayo nung unit garland set. So, come over to our place. Oh, meron lang string doon. Meron tayong voice. My days. Oh, sweet. Honey. Cute. Junie. And then si Gyu. Cute. So, ito yung inclusions na per member. And then, yung last item ay yung photo card set. So, photo card set, episode A, Hello, We Are. Special gift for visitors. So, meron tayong 4 na photo card. Meron tayong Jonghan na may orange. Cute! Ang ganda ni Honey. Meron tayong Jun na may apple. Cute. And then, si Mingyu. Taray. Hindi siya nakibanding dito sa dalawang nag-props. And then, meron tayong unit card. Hala, cute! Nakaurangay si Jonghan. Iba talaga ang supporter ng Huranghay agenda talaga sa Honey. Cuties. And then, ito yung likod lang nila. So, yung unit, Mingyu na may pirma. Si Jong, hindi ko alam kung pirman dyan sa ni Jonghan. Pero, ayan. So, ayan yung photo card set natin para dun sa episode A. So, sa episode A ay sa friend ko to lahat except kay Mingyu. Kasi si Mingyu ay akin. Next, meron tayo nung episode B. So, yung episode B ay yung bias line ko. Kasi meron tayong Chol, Si Woozie hiwalay pa eh. Pero anyway, nasa si Woozie kasama si Joshua. So, meron tayo ulit nung box. So, episode B, our secret recipe. Oh, so food lang sila, Sila Chol. So, ito yung text nung kala Chol. Even if you don't know the exact order portion, see what we can do up if si Wono nando sa recipe. It's okay if we're clumsy, if we make a video, as long as well, happiness is homemade. As long as you're there to share it with me, there, but it will be second to none. Cute, dami alam. So, ito yung likod. Then, ito ulit yung gilid. So, B naman tong version na to. Meron pa ako yung isang set nito kasi nagtingi ako, napatingi ako nito eh. Ang hirap yung buksan. Mama. Okay naman to. Hours later. Hindi ko talaga siya mabuksan. Kasi natutupi na siya kasi ang weird ng pagkaka-latch nung anger issues could never. Mama, I can't open it. Ayun. Oh my God. So, thank you for coming to our lunch party. Cute. So, dilaw yung kulay ng kay Lagi. Buti pa yung kay Lauzi. Ang ganda ng kulay. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa yellow. Again, meron tayo ulit ng inclusions. Meron tayong folded poster, photo book. Yung kila Chol ay meron tayong magnet set. Tapos, ito yung photo card set. And then, ito yung digital code. So, unahin natin ulit yung poster. So, meron tayo nung folded poster. Ooh, cute! Sa mga nagtsatsa. Ang cute ng baso daw. Ganda ng kulay. Ito yung kulay ng unit photo box eh. Cute. So, yun yung folded poster. And then, unahin natin ulit yung photo book. So, meron tayong O. Ito ay akin na to talaga. So, episode B, our recipe. Cute! Cuties. Mga baby yarn. Hehe. Mga pagkain. It's the recipe for the perfect day. Perfect day. Ito yung nando sa gilid kanina. Diba tayong Chol? So, before starting, you need to get into the right mindset because it's easy to lay everything out. Examine, assess the weight, take in the center. You are the apple of my eye. Cute. Taray. Let's have some snack yarn. Kapo naman ito magsukat. Bakit pa naman tinitimbang yan? Anyway. Hobby exercise. Background music home. Tomato scene and drum scene. Thank you for coming to our lunch party. Ay, cute! Grilled cheese. Chol! Naghihiwa ng carrot. Cute din naman ni Chol. Baby yarn. Carrot. Piece of toast plus tomato fried egg. Whole scoop sandwich. Cute. Baby boy. Wano, can you imagine if there were one to taste it? Tumoys na sa cake si Wano. Okay, cake yung kay Wano. Cute! Meron siyang icing sa ino. Baby, I'll enjoy this meal. Funny no, akala ko cake siya, tapos biglang naging toast. Pero ang cute! Mama. Ay, cute Wano. Baby. So, my day sweet voice, Wano 0717. Magbo-birthday na si Wano. Happy July. Taking photos with film camera. Home din. Cute. Eating scene and game scene. Cutie. Baby. Oh, cute. Capri salad plus strawberry cake. Fox dessert. Si DK, to fill the fridge is to fill the soul. So when you take it to the stock the fridge so they can mix well later. Taray. Did you have lunch? Pagi yarn. Cute. Cute ng smiley DK. Lahat sila home yung BGM. Baseball. Grocery shopping and book scene. Cutie. Kumakain ng cereal. Baguette. Plus tomato, plus other foods, milk, cereal. Pizza boy, breakfast. Cute, DK. Ang cute! Banana yarn. Cute ng baby. Yan tayong unit ulit. Ano? Gigil yarn. Napaka-cute ni DK. Delicious pizza party. Cute. Bebe. Yan tayong unit. Taray kabog. A few moments later. So, iba na ginagawa nila. Ibang hobby na. Uy, kumagalaw. Dali ko yung tripod. Tapos di kita-aray naman yan. Ang cute. Ito din yung kanina. Second to none. Drum yarn. Not sure when I asked you. May guitar. Paano naging guitar yan, te? Yung guitar. Rock and roll. Pagini mo ay scoops. Taray. Cute. Ang bebe na yan. Ay! Cutie. Ayun nga pala, may likod nga pala to. Chol. Pogi. Sa dulo na lang natin basahin. Cutie. Gaming console. Cutie. Shall we play a game? Hey, popcorn yarn. How cute! Tayo Muna may popcorn ulit. May record. Console. Pogi. Miss ko tayo. Wow, ang taray. DK. To DK books. Ang cute! Be careful. Ang taray naman yarn. Serious yarn. Kabog. Cute na DK. Baby, ang cute ng pisngi. DK. Cute. Kawaii. DK book. Unit shot. Ang cute ni DK. Ang cute nila lahat. Ito na yung setup. Tapos ito na yung mga nakalagay na text. So, meron lang tayo. Kailangan natin balikan yung mga nasa likod. So, thank you for coming to the launch party. Launch party. Kabog. Sino yung credits? Kailangan natin balikan ang mga scoops. So, ito ay yung may nakalagay. Ito lang. Hindi nga pala. Per ano nga lang pala. Ayan. So, natin yung kay John. What's your favorite shot? So, instruments. So, Fatsu Jayok Bokum and Kim Jijigay. Ano? Favorite concept? Game Boy. This is basically Bonmo's everyday life. Film camera. Samgyeopsal, kimchi fried rice, and dakbok. Meron tayong DK para sa last. Okay. Cute. Baseball. Fish. Kimchi food love. Ay, Korean food lovers. Yay! So, yun yung photobook ng Unit B. Cute. Then next, ito na yung remaining inclusions. So, unahin natin yung magnet sticker pa. Ang pangit talaga ng pagkakagawa ng lagayan. Tignan naman, films. And tayong magnet. So, S-Scoops Sandwich Club. Call 08091195. S-Scoops. One is Dessert Cafe. Cute. I am Pizza Boy. Pizza Boy. Na tayo? S-Scoops. Ang cute yung recipe nila yung nakalista. Ano? Ang cute ng mga baby na yan. Tapos hindi kay. Yan. Tapos, ito yung digital code na Unit Photobook. So, our secret recipe. Hi-Fi Low Noise Episode 2. So, yun yung doon sa digital code. And then, yung photo card, which is yung last inclusion set, ay ito. Cute, tool! Grabe, bakit na ba? Dimple yarn. Wow, pawin mo, no? Di kayo baget. And then, meron tayo unit. Ito cute. Mga naka-hearts here. Paso, one, thumbs up. Tapos, ito yung likod. So, DK. Wow, let's go. So, yan na lahat ng photo card set natin. So, ayun. So, kung nag-enjoy naman po kayo dito sa unboxing na to, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, see you sa next na video. Bye-bye!